Oh, no.
It's Vanderhill.
A bird distracted me on my backswing. It was going, geek, geek, geek. That's not my name, and it was saying it right at me.
Yes, Mr. Vanderhill.
I'm sure it was a female. Now go find its nest.
Yes, Mr. Vanderhill.
Roger?
Hey!
Why didn't my dad recognize you?
Oh, everyone in the family has one persona they can't see through. Your mom's is my Korean kid who shoots pool with a giant chopstick.
No way.
And Haley doesn't realize I'm her sandal repairman.
Get out.
And remember that spin the bottle party you went to?
Yeah? You were Alicia Wilkner? We went on 7 dates!
9. Nothing happened. Wink, wink.